Hey there, welcome to Createful Art. We're celebrating Createful Christmas, and today I would love to show you how to paint
Santa decoration.
If you haven't already, go subscribe at createfulart.com so you can have access to more Createful Christmas content. The supplies that I use are in the description below. So you'll notice that my panel has 1, 2, 3 sections, okay? And it's really easy to make one of these panels. I'll put a link in the description to how to make panels. You're going to need a lot of red paint. Okay, and this is going to be dry brush, no water on it. And I'm just adding the red to this one panel on this side. So I'll follow, see how I turned my brush so that I could follow this line going down. And I'm not going to worry about filling in all those crevices that didn't get some red paint, okay? And I'm going to do the same thing over here. And you'll notice where I have the most paint, it will get into the crevices easily. Now if this is a little bit awkward, just you can turn your palettes around and so you can use your strong hand. Going to use my left hand though. And then you just fill this in. Once these are dry, you're ready to go on to the next step. So for this step, you paint the center white. And just like you did over here, take the side of your brush and push that paint to the very edge and do the same thing on this side. If you want to get rid of most of that wood grain, just add more paint or a little water to your brush. While you're letting this white dry, let's go ahead and add a little bit of black to your palette here. And I'm going to need a little more white. And what we're going to do is we're going to work on the beard. So I'm going to grab my smaller flat brush right here, add a little black to it, and I'm making gray hair. Now the beard is going to be white, but you're going to want to have some shadow in there, and this is where the shadow comes in. So I'm just going to make swirl type motion. My Santa's going to have a curly haired beard. You can leave some of that white. We're going to go back over it, so no big deal. And then you need to let this dry. The next step, you're going to put the belt on Santa. So you'll want your smaller flat brush and plenty of black paint. It's about 2 inches above. You're going to start your belt right over here, straight across. Now you can help yourself by giving yourself a straight edge to follow. I'll use this box to help me. Okay. And then come over here. And then I make it about 1 inch or so. And there's no rules to this. You can just do it however you want. Square this in right here. And then I'm going to make a square here a little bit lower. And this is where the belt buckle is going to be. And you could just go all the way across with the black, but I'm just going to give you an idea of where the belt buckle is going to be. And then just follow it on the other side. And this should be dry, so you can go ahead and make your beard a little whiter on top. Your round brush and just go on the top here with wispies. Up the beard as much as you want. See how you can actually see the beard because of the gray behind it. This step you're going to make the belt buckle, and you have a flat edge right here, and you make a gold by using your yellow, your red, a little bit of black. I'm just going to go on the edge here, and if your black's not completely dry, it'll mix a little. I like to kind of go down right here, and you might want to add a little yellow on top of this to make it look like the gold shining. Okay, do that with the top too. Okay, I went ahead and added a little gold thing right here. I'm just going to put one more coat of some yellow on top of this gold just to make it stand out. Okay, that looks really cute. Thank you so much for creating with me. I hope you enjoyed it and have a very Merry Christmas. On this channel, we learn about art, we get creative, and we do do-it-yourself art projects that will look great in your home. If that sounds great to you, I hope that you subscribe and also check out these other videos. See you in my next video. Bye!